Krones is the all-round partner for the beverage and liquid food industry. Whether made out of glass, PET or aluminium, Krones machines and lines process millions of bottles, cans and specially shaped bottles each day. Our customers mainly comprise breweries, water, soft drink and juice manufacturers, as well as dairies and producers of wine, sparkling wine and spirits, or companies from the liquid food field.